Right, let's just go live and be done with this thing. All right, folks, here we are after major technical issues on Scalper vs. Scalper Season 2. I don't even know if this is really the start of Season 2. We've had so many technical issues here getting set up and last minute cancellations on the day. So we're going to call this a bit of fun, right? It's an hour and a half of fun. I've got Dovi FX here all the way from Lithuania this time. Welcome back, Dovi.
Thank you. Thank you. Hello.
So, so for the guys that don't know Dovi took out the title of Trader versus Trader season two. Was it season two?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
it was
believe
season
it.
two. Yeah, and we've done since that. We've done in season three. So I think you've got by far one of the best scores on that show. So well done on that, guys. This is a live market scalping challenge. Now, unfortunately, JD Dowdy couldn't do the challenge today. Like, it was asking a lot of him. It was going to be 4 a.m. in the morning or 5 a.m. in the morning that he was going to be doing it. So, and looking at the technical issues, I stumbled on with Dovi. It's a bit of a hybrid challenge here that we've got where I'm going to take on Dovi, but you'll find out what we're doing differently in this show. So, in fact, I'll tell you now, I'm going to be placing the trades for Dovi because he just could not get the software working on MetaTrader working on his Mac properly. He just couldn't save files in there. So that's the long and the short of it. Now, here's how this is going to work today, guys. We've got an hour and a half approximately. Now we're already 20 minutes in, so we'll probably just start the timer after this presentation and do an hour and a half, or find a rounding time to end this. Winner is the person that makes the most money in 3 to 10 trades. Now I'm placing Dovi's trade, so hopefully I do him some justice here. So it is a bit of fun. 2% risk per trade, 2 pips stop loss extension allowed. So if you do think, oh, hang on a sec, I'll put the stop in too quickly, I didn't really consider this, you can extend it by a little bit. We're giving 2 pip leeway there. Now the rules are must place at least 3 trades before the timer ends, but no more than 10. This is really to stop people lobbing on like 15 trades at the end to try and take out the title. Traders can extend their stop loss by no more than 2 pips after entering the trade, and traders can scale out of trades in any manner. It's just a normal account. Open trades at the end of the timer will be calculated as closed trades. So, guys, if you want to follow along, this is where it gets a bit different here from season 1. If you go to the link underneath the video, tradingnut.com/live streams, or just type that into your browser, you're going to see here a table underneath the video, which will have the open and closed trades, the wins and losers, the floating balance, and the closed balance on these accounts. Now, this should now say Dovi FX, and that's me. So, yeah, you're going to see our scores. If you leave and have to come back, this is where you want to go to see how those things are panning out. Also, underneath that, you'll find that we're doing everything through my broker Hanko Trade here today. So, guys, if you do want, you can actually download one of their accounts, or their MetaTrader account, and lob in these numbers down here. So the account number and actually, this isn't the password here, but it's Hanko Trade 1 for both of those, and you'll see the account number on the website, so link below the video. If you do want to see these trades hitting in real time, so if you do want to see them hitting in real time instead of watching this screen where you're going to get a 5-minute delay, then this will give you the real time like trades hitting the charts and stuff. So if you do want to do that, open an account with Hanko Trade, download the MetaTrader software, and then log in with these investor details. What else we got going on here today? So today we're taking trades with a semi-auto trading robot straight from my Robot Builders Club. So this is something I built for the challenge. It didn't take very long. It was like only half an hour to build this. But in the Robot Builders Club, guys, you get my 7-day video course, VIP community, no coding required at all. It's live Q&A calls. There's 30 plus ready-made robots waiting for you when you join. There's links to that below the videos as well, and the doors are going to be closing on that very soon. So guys, if you do want to come on board, now is the time to do that. Learn how to build semi or fully auto trading robots. Right, Dovi, welcome back, mate. We're going to set this timer going and and get this thing going. Right, let me get my timer on here, and what I might do is, it's almost 9:30, so that'll be finishing me up at like 11 p.m. Okay, we're just going to do an hour and a half. All right, starting now. Okay, so we can start analyzing charts and get underway. I don't. Have you done any analysis yet?
I'm doing a gold analysis right now.
Okay. Do you want to share your screen and sort of maybe talk through some of the stuff that you're doing to the guys, and I'll start marking up some stuff on my charts here
Let me
to.
see one.
I can see your screen, yep.
Okay.
And just bear in mind that you've got on the zoom, it's because you've got such a wide screen, everything is quite condensed. So if you can zoom in on this where you get a chance, people are going to be able to probably see. If you're talking about candlesticks and that, they're going to be able to see it a bit better. Yeah, so when you're getting into the nitty gritty, it's like, because it's such a wide screen, it's like half the size of a normal sort of monitor. And guys, if you do have questions, we'll do our best to answer them here in the chat. So please feel free to lob them in. And this is the first time we're doing this, so with a new format. So please, if things go haywire, it's a bit of fun. We're learning here as we go, and we're just going to have to make the most of it. Right. And I'm multitasking here, which I don't normally do when I'm trying to trade, so I'm hoping this goes well.
So I'm looking at the goal right now, and what I see is this supply and demand strong level, as you can see. Price, let me make this white. Price has reacted here. We have before having a strong push to the upside, as you can see right here in this area. Same thing happened here. We have a strong push to the upside in this area. So we have a really pretty strong level. And since I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame, I'm looking at the bigger picture. So right now, this level was broken. And as you can see, price reacted to it here as well. And after the strong bearish momentum, strong push to the downside, we have this retracement, and the price is currently at this level. So my bias for this for gold right now is shorts, seller pressure, and yeah. So if I scale in on a lower time frame a little bit more, you can see a rejection right away. Let me jump to a 15-minute time frame. As you can see, we have nice rejections. Next levels of interest for me would be right this level, because as you can see, same thing happened here. Very simple. We have a market structure on the left, and this is where the price came down before breaking all of this market structure on the left right here. So to be honest, I would be looking to go short right here. Let me see. Cam, could you open a position for me?
Okay, yep.
I would like to enter a gold short position.
Gold?
Yeah.
I think that was the only pair that we didn't load in. We didn't load in gold. Hang on, gold. And where do you want your stop?
I'm going for a 1-2 right here. 114, 170. Oh, I mean 1814, 170. Price is dropping already.
1814 70? 0.7?
1814.17.
0.17, okay, sorry. Okay, you're in. Okay, that only gives you a 0.01 lot, so you can't really scale out of that on gold because it's gold, I think. Okay, you're going to need to tell me when to exit it as well.
Okay.
Yep.
Can I like exit position early? Like if it's in loss or
Yeah,
no?
you could exit in a loss, yep. Okay, why is that not sticking? Okay, right. Sorry guys, I'm still just trying to make these things up here. Jayton K, what's the difference between scalping and day trading? Day trading, you go in and out of positions during the day. You're scalping, you're probably in and out of the positions during the, like, very quickly. It could be taking a few pips, three or four pips, 10 pips. So you might be in and out of the position a few times within an hour. It depends on the definition of scalping. It's probably like day trading, you'd say maybe 3 to 5, maybe 7 trades a day. Scalping, you might be taking 15 trades in a session. Right, let's just work these things out. What are you doing now, Dovey? I can't see your screen, so I've got no idea.
At US 30 right now.
You're looking at US 30?
Yeah, I'm looking at interesting for me at the moment. We have some nice rejections. At 0.786 level, also a supply and demand level.
Crying out loud.
Did you open a buy position on US 30?
Where do you want your stop?
3425. Oh,
34250.
yeah.
Buy position. Yep, you're in. Oh, yeah, okay. Buy position US 30. Why is it not taking the trade? There's a buy stop. I've set a buy stop. I don't think it can have a stop that close for whatever reason.
That close?
Yeah, I think it might be in a spread. I can't see the spread on this.
Are we on the same like what's the price for you? What's the price showing for you right
The
now?
price is showing 34319.
Oh, so it shows different for me. For
What
me
does
it
it show for
shows
you?
34332.
34332.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's 34342. It was only like a 2.22 point difference. So yeah, it's not letting me. Let me just. clear this order, and I'll just, it hasn't moved, so I'm just going to buy at market, and I'm just going to put the stop in. Okay, right, you're in. What the hell?
Need to look at CAD-JPY.
Okay. Sorry guys, we'll do some talking later on. It's trying to work these things out first. Why does it not do that? I practiced this last night, Dovey, and a couple of days before that, probably more so last night than a couple of days before, and didn't do very well, I got to say.
Did what?
I didn't do very well. It was all happening too fast for me, and I was like, how am I going to do this today? Also running the show as well, so we'll see how we get on. We'll see how we get on. I'm almost there with ready to start looking for trades. So you currently, Dovi, you're running profit on the US 30, just break even basically. Gold's 168. I'm just actually going to check the website here and see if this is updating. Yay, it's working. Let me just share my screen for a second. Okay, guys. So you can see here we've got Dovi's trades here on the chart on the page here, live streams. So open 2 trades, no wins, no losses. Floating profit is 1.38. Balance is 100. And if you want to see those trades in action, this is them here on this Hanko trade account. So he's got one on the US 30 and the other one is on, I'm going to close that now, we don't need that. The other one's on gold. So the gold one's pushed up, still holding. The US 30's dropped down a bit as well. So that's where we're at, guys. And I'm just having a look here on a trading view for what's going on, and I can't see a lot, I've got to say. Yesterday there seemed to be tons.
This morning market was moving crazy. Like JPY, CHF euro was really strong. For example, look at this drop since this morning. Which was it? Almost 100 pips, 100 pip drop.
Okay, so I'm just going to see if we can get in here. Yeah, I know, it was a huge drop, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, down on the 1 minute. What time frames are you using?
15-minute 5 for the zones. I use 1 hour 30 minutes.
And for the entry?
For the entry, 5 minutes.
It's weird. Last time I went to TradingView, which was yesterday, or was it this morning, tried to go to a 2-minute chart and they said you need to upgrade. I was like, what? I've been going to 2-minute charts for ages. So I wonder. No. Then they sent me a thing saying you've got to, you're going to be renewed. Your subscription's going to renew. Maybe it dropped me for a little bit.
Yeah.
Right.
So right now for 2 open trades, like I said on gold, we have 2 strong zones. This is where the price is at right now. If I
let me stop sharing. You can share your screen.
Oh,
might help.
can you see it?
Yep.
So, like I said, gold, we have a really strong zone right here. Price is at on here right now. We had a strong rejection before, as you can see right here, huge drop. Right now, we're stepping in with some more stronger bullish momentum. But if I scale down to a lower time frame, I believe we should have a at least a little retracement before going lower or going higher. So you should see some reaction to the zone. And US 30, similar type of setup. On a 2-hour time frame, I have noticed, I mean, on 1 hour, yes, I have noticed this zone right here. As you can see, we have a market structure on the left right here. This is the market structure, and this is where the price came down before shooting up and breaking all this market structure on the left. So I consider this as a strong zone, and this is where the price is at right now. And as you can see, we have seen multiple rejections right here on the higher time frame. And if I scale down to a lower time frame, we have these beautiful rejections, and 5-minute time frame, as you can see, we're looking like we're picking up some momentum right here after all these rejections. So hopefully we can continue up a little higher and take some profits.
Okay, I might actually enter a GU trade here. Am I going to really? No.
No,
No, so I missed
at?
it. I missed it.
Looking for longs?
Yeah. Just a 1-to-1. I missed it.
Okay. Let me see.
The problem is they're already well and truly overbought. It's just going to carry on.
Yeah, it looks like it's going up. I believe we have a clean traffic. Right here. So if we close above this, I really believe the price can push these highs to this zone, I mean. GU. I'm interested actually. We have this clean candle.
Euro US dollar. Let's have a look at that. Okay. Okay, maybe Euro US dollar going short.
Currently looking at GBP and ZD. I have an interesting setup. Price has broken this level. Looking like it's coming down to retest it.
Okay. We're in short on Euro US dollar. Very tight stop. It's probably just going to be a small swing.
Okay. Let's see.
Yeah, no, I don't think it's going to work out this time. I might have another crack at it.
Oh, you took a short.
Yeah.
Did you get stopped out?
Not yet. But it's not looking promising. Go one more chance. Go one more
Yeah,
chance.
you're going against strong bullish momentum right here. Looks like it's.
I'm only looking for 1-to-1.
It's gonna go a little higher. Ooh, it's dropping.
Should get another push. This will be the telltale candle. Right. Where's the zoom? Okay, so this is where we're at. We're probably gonna get stopped out on this one. It did give us a little bit of profit, but this is it here. So just in here, it's probably going to get stopped out. We'll have to enter again. That wasn't my profit target, by the way. That was just getting this EA pops the profit 1-to-1, and then you just drag it wherever you want it. Yeah. If we survive, we're very lucky.
Can you enter? Wait.
No, don't need to enter. So we've got 32 seconds left on this 1 minute candle. If we can carry on down, we might have to. I might be lucky enough to stay in it. 21 seconds.
Could you enter a CAD JPY short position?
Yep.
And stop loss is 87.666.
$87.666.
Yeah.
Sell.
Yeah.
Once again, it's too close.
It's 10 pip stop loss.
Yeah, it's, for whatever reason, it's not letting me take a market order on that. I think it's. Do we have 500 to 1 leverage on this? I'm pretty sure I did.
How is it? Because it's not enough margin? Oh, it's dropping now. It's too late.
Okay. Right, no, I've got you. I've got you. It'll. Oh, you're up there. Okay. I meant, right. You'll be triggered in a second.
You entered?
It's basically going to enter in a second. It's just.
It's kind of late now.
Oh, you don't want to enter? I can cancel it.
Yeah, I canceled it.
Okay, cancelled. Okay. Right, this one here. Maybe stop to break even. Close. Close some of it.
Oh man, let me share my screen.
Okay, we're out. Break even. Okay, so 67 cents. So, you're going to share your screen?
Yeah.
Okay, go for it.
This is
All right.
where I called out CAD JPY.
Oh, is it melting, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, where's your thing? Oh, I'm on the hourly chart. No wonder. Okay, maybe that could have been the reason why it wasn't taking the trade. Why can I not see the ask line on this? Grid is white. Show ask line, yeah. Show on 4 grand. It's weird. I can't see the other line. I don't know why. It's market order. I wonder if it's because you've got the leverage on this isn't. I didn't put 500 as the leverage. Or maybe I'm just stitching you up, Dovey. I don't want to enter your trades. No. How do you find out if you've got?
Yeah, CAD JPY would have been almost at take profit now for 1 to 2
Oh yeah. I can see it, mate. Oh, sorry.
It's all good.
Well, I could have left the order in. Right, GBP USD crossing. Oh. Ah. Okay. GBP USD. Okay, it was crossed my line, but it's going the wrong direction. Right, I'm just gonna. You got anything going on there, Dovey?
Right now, just monitoring. Oh, can you close US 30?
Yep. Oh, it's closed at stop loss.
Okay. Just want to make sure.
So on a $100 account, those ones are like they're pretty hefty, aren't they? In terms of the loss, that was $7 or $8.
Oh, $7?
Yeah.
Okay. It's hard when you can't monitor the trades, you know.
Yeah, well, guys. We had all sorts of problems trying to get Dovey set up. For whatever reason, his machine wouldn't allow him to save files into a MetaTrader account, or just a Windows program, I suppose, made converted into a Mac program. Okay, we're looking for buys here on GU. Really getting what I'm after for an entry. Right, let's have a look at this chat for 2 seconds. Time frame used is not clear. Okay. What time frame you guys use for entry? So 1 minute for me. Hopefully it's clear now. Dovi, you're in for entry. What time frame are you using?
5 minutes.
5 minutes. Cool. Why is Dovi not talking? Because he's thinking. I'm guessing. Did you watch any of the Euros, by the way?
What you mean?
The football, the European
Oh yeah,
Cup.
I watched yesterday. No, yesterday's match was crazy.
Oh, the Spanish one, Spain, Italy,
No,
or
no,
the English one.
England, Denmark.
Yeah. Well, that was today for me. That was
Oh,
today.
today for you.
Yeah, it was this morning. That was a good match, eh? I enjoyed that. Right. Come on. Come back down. Yeah, so what is it? Italy, England final.
Yeah. What you rooting for?
My dad's English, so, and I did live there for 7 years, so and my wife's English as well, so I'm going for Italy. No, I'm going for England. I'm going for England. I'll mark this one off. No idea why these levels are marked off now. Oh, right.
Okay, GJ, what do we have?
Okay, what I'm hoping for is push down here and then some sort of push up. But actually, I'm not hoping for that at all, really. Yeah, I am hoping for that. I'll take it back. I am hoping for that. Right, yeah, so was there any other chat stuff going on here? Only goal for me. Which indicators for scalping is best?
Price action.
Yeah, I don't know if there's any good indicators. I mean, there might be. I don't know. I mean, this. I don't know. That question means you probably need to spend more time on studying the charts.
Oh man, CAD almost would have not to take profit.
Oh, you're kidding! It's just dripped, is it?
Heavily.
That's CAD JPY there, guys. and that's where Dovi's. I think it was your stop was going to be there. So yeah, it's gone. It's gone 10 pips, which is a good move. What was that? What was the signifier for you there? Was that the trendline break and a retest, or?
No, I don't. I don't use that for. I use that. I use my strategy for intraday trading and
Ah,
for swing trading. But for scalping, I use zones.
okay. Yeah, nothing's happening here on this one. So had I held it, I would have been at a stop loss. So I got out at the right time here at this point
I'm
there.
looking to re-enter US 30. Can you put a market order long?
I'll try, mate. Well, it's going to be 0.1, right? So I'm just going to go 0.1. Buy now?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you want your stop?
Uh, Wait, that's 75 for you. So do a little higher, a little lower, like right here, yeah. How many dollars is that? $6?
$6.50, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, barring the fact that we couldn't get MT4 working on Dovi's machine anyway, he still didn't have any crypto to be able to deposit into the Hanko Trade account. So we would have had to be using this demo account here anyway. So okay, let's see how that one goes. So you've got the gold running still. That's probably pushed back into some coming into profit now. What's the stop loss on that one? 40 pips.
What's
The 5 minute
what's the
chart.
dollar count?
The dollar value $3.99. It's not too bad if you lose that.
2%.
Yeah. What are we looking like here? Nothing.
Come on, US 30.
What time we got? We're about halfway through. So I've got another 2 trades that I have to find somehow to get the 3 trade quota. You're all good now. You've done your 3.
Oh, dang. US 30 is killing me right now.
GJ. Okay, this might be alright. What are we looking at here? I've only just worked out that you can do this, hold down control and get your distance here on TradingView. And he just worked that out by accident. Okay, 15. Any other questions, guys? Why do you use account demo? Why do you use account demo? So there's a demo account here. If you missed that one, there's a question that's come through. It's because we had technical issues at the start trying to get Dovi set up. He couldn't use MetaTrader. Couldn't get MetaTrader. Well, he could get it working. He couldn't get the one we needed working, the Hanko Trade one working on his machine, and then we couldn't log into it. And then the second thing was he couldn't save any files to MetaTrader as a whole. And thirdly, he didn't have any crypto to. He left it too late to get the crypto to invest in the account. So that's why. That's why. Okay. Yeah, this one. We'll see. We could be going long here on GJ. What's the time? 10:13. Okay, we'll see if that order fills. Where are you at, Dovi? You've got gold went back to entry and then came back against itself, and US 30s about halfway through your stop. Okay, this one, will it get triggered? Will it get triggered? Probably not. I'm going to leave it there.
So does your like EA automatically count like 2% risk?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So with these, when you're doing the because we've got such a low balance in the with the whatchamacallit, the indices, like $100 trading US 30. I think that's where it's in gold. Even it's like that's where it's struggling to get the orders on. I don't know what happened with the CJ one. I'm not too sure what happened there. Okay, I'm gonna cancel that order. Right, so your US 30, you got 2 pip leeway if you want to move your stop a little bit. It's up to you.
Yeah, if you can move it a little lower.
Right. Questions. Somebody thinks Tony Herbert US 30 not quite ready for a turn yet. He thinks. Yeah, that one is GJ is now gone. That's gone as well, Dovi. You got your gold running, guys. We can see the. Let me know if you want to share your screen, Dovi. Oh, well, right. This help does it. So okay. So strictly speaking, it was 2 wins, but it was actually half a position. So I didn't realize that's how it was
16%
gonna.
down.
What's that?
16% down. That's crazy.
Yeah, I know. Well, that's the indices, right? It's like you can't have a tight stop on
Like,
them.
yeah, it's crazy. Like, it was supposed to be 2%, no? Risk.
But I suppose because it's taken the minimum amount it can put on, which is 0.01, and where you put your stop is if you're going to do 2%, you'd be like your stop loss will be really close. It'll be like mega close.
Uh,
But you couldn't risk less than that, if you know what I mean.
yeah.
That's the problem. Anyway, it's all a bit of fun. It's all a bit of fun. This is an experiment. Yeah, so like, I mean, I've got 2 wins and a loss, which sorry, 0 losses. But the fact is, it was a half a position and a break even, which was effectively 1 win, but they've counted it as two. Um, so it's a bit weird in terms of how they're doing it. I didn't realize it was going to do it like that, but it does. So that one there definitely didn't get me in. Better find somewhere else to get in then. What's the time? 40 minutes left in the hour. 10 minutes left in the half an hour. And we've got 37 minutes left here. Righty ho, this could be something. Hang on, what are we on here? The 30-minute chart. I thought that was a 1 minute chart for a second. um, okay, if we're going to push higher. Nah. Euro US dollar, can it?
Can I share my screen with you?
Yeah, mate, go for it. Oh, you're in profit on the gold trade now.
Okay, so currently, as you can see, Euro JPY, really strong bearish market, moving to the downside, really strong. 2-hour candle looking bearish. On a 1 hour, market still looking bearish. So if I scale down to a 15-minute, 10-minute time frame, we have this resistance, and I believe we have this clean traffic right here, as you can see. So if we have a 5-minute closure below the zone, I'm going to be taking shorts to the downside. If you can set it up to go short on Euro JPY.
Euro JPY.
Yep. Yeah. And I'm going to tell you when to execute. My stop is going to be 130.030. You ready?
Yep.
Okay, so in 3 minutes, the candle's going to close. Go position in some profit right now.
Are you waiting for the 5-minute candle to close?
Yeah.
Okay. Gold trade's looking healthy.
Can you put take profit on gold?
Yep.
So I'd like to do 1805.
Okay, it's done.
And let's look at Euro JPY. Okay, look, it's like it's not. 20 seconds before 5-minute close.
Is it 20 seconds now? Before 5 minutes?
Yeah.
My clock must be out.
Oh. Gold is looking nice. KJBY would have been 1 to 3.
Sorry, let's hope this one works.
It's all good.
If it doesn't, I should at least know how to get it in.
Okay. Oh, my bad. It's not. I was on a 3-minute time frame, so it's still a minute.
Ah, there. Okay.
That's not bad.
I wondered why you were saying it was 3 minutes to go. Oh, you're a JPY. Oh, dear. Short window. Sorry.
Five-minute has not closed below my desired zone, so we're gonna be waiting.
You gonna wait on that?
Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if we can have something like
Right. I'm actually in on that.
Euro JPY shorts.
Yeah. But with a very tight stop again. It's not my ideal setup, but it is a setup nevertheless on the 1 minute. And I need a couple more trades, so
Okay. I'm looking back at US 30 again.
let's have a look here. What do we got? Wait, are they trading live? I'm trading live. Dovi's on demo. We had some issues, technical issues.
Can you set up a Euro JPY sell right now?
Yep.
With stops 129.995. And I'm gonna tell you when to execute.
129.995.
Yeah.
That's miles away. Euro JPY. Sorry, Euro JPY.
Euro JPY, yes.
Ah, sorry. 129.995. Okay, you're going to tell me when, yeah? Okay.
Sell now, sell now.
Okay, that worked. Oh, did it? It keeps giving me these. Okay, it's in now. It's in now. It keeps doing limit order, I think, because there's just not enough equity in the account or something. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. Maybe it's an issue with the EA or something. Okay, so we're actually both in this trade. Let me just share the screen here. And so this is my trade, and Dovi's is here. Both short on Euro JPY. The question is Dovi's stop better than mine? It might well
Where's your
be.
stop?
Was that?
Where's your stop?
My stop is there at
Lower.
29 954.
What's what size? 0.08. And what's mine?
0.2.
Oh shit.
I guess selling EJ is not a good idea at this point in time. Somebody says.
Everyone is experts in the chat.
Oh no, everyone's an expert trader. You should try use a slightly more starting balance, like 1K. Yeah, it would help with the position sizing. This is a bit of experimental, so it's we live and we learn here. It's not to be too bad. I mean, like the thing is, I suppose because Dovi's trading the indices, that's where the position sizing gets a little bit iffy when you're placing multiple trades and you're trading likes of US 30 and gold. You just can't.
30 candle closed. Looking bearish.
Okay, I'm going to close.
Look at EJ.
So I've got to close half position there. Might get the retest. We'll see of the. So we can probably be a bit more aggressive with that. Okay. Well, at least got half position off. Is it going to carry on? Doesn't look like it. What are we? 2 seconds left in the candle. Yeah, it's going to get a retest. Okay. So that one flash.
Yeah, can you close mine at break even?
Close it now?
Mm-hmm. What is gold doing? That's crazy. Doing its thing.
Where is gold? Where is gold? Here it goes. Oh, you're kidding. Jeez. What do they call that? The order block down here, is it? The ICT thing.
ICT order block.
Okay, what was that? Just out of interest. About 6 pips. Well, 3 pips, really. Okay, what do we got left here, Dovi? We got 25 minutes. And currently, in terms of the number of trades, I think I've only had 2. Well, it says there 4, but it's actually 2. You've had 4. You got open and closed 4 trades in total. So I need to come up with another one in 25 minutes. 1 minute left in the 5 minute candle there. Um, what's that? Euro US dollar. $40 seconds left.
Can you open buy position on US 30 again? Giving last chance.
Ready?
Yeah.
Where do you want your stop?
Yeah, below that wick.
Just there.
What's the
$6.50.
Okay. Whatever.
10 seconds left. Damn. Oh, I didn't move my stop. I didn't place my stop somewhere. You idiot. Okay, this is my last trade.
Last trade.
I'm gonna have to move my stop. I think I forgot to place my stop.
Oh,
Before I
here we
entered the
go.
trade.
Here we go.
Oh no, I've got a 2 pip. I've got a 2 pip range. I can move it. So what's that? 4.9, 6.9. Okay. That said, if I lose, it's going to take me down into negative.
It was not the best time to trade. Like
that was a crap trade. It was the time pressure. Now I look at it, I'm like, that was rubbish. This is now purely up to luck. Hang on, I didn't enter the trade. I didn't enter the trade. It said a limit order. It said a limit order.
Oh my.
Okay. Do I really want to be in this trade? I don't know. Right, so you're in here, Dovey. It's coming back to break even. It's pushed up at least. This could be the one.
How much time we have left?
Got 19 minutes. 19, 20 minutes. Leon, if you want to suggest somebody for an interview, just send me an email. It's probably the best way. support@tradingnut.com or DM me on Instagram. If I might not reply, but I'll definitely take note of it. Right. Right, let's try and eke out something here. Okay. Oh, no, it's not obvious either. GU. Okay. Right, I think I've got one. GU clear. Okay, I don't know if it's going to trigger or not, but you might have missed it. What's the time? 18 seconds left. Ah, missed it. Jeez, Dobby. That gold is just an absolute shocker.
Yeah. US 30 as well. Yeah, I'm going against strong trend right now. Just looking for this little pullback. That's all I wanted for.
Because what do you typically go for in a like a scalping trade,
So
like
like
from a return
uh,
point of view?
let me share my screen.
Yep.
So to be honest, if like we didn't have a time limit, something like that, this would be the zone I would be considering, and this is the move I would be looking for. Even after our live, this is what I'm going to be looking for all day. I'm going to set on alerts over here, and this is where I'm going to be looking to look for buys, is from this zone, and then continue to the upside. But for now, I was just looking for this little retracement. First of all, I was looking at this zone right here. We didn't get a retracement. Price has uh, broken it strongly. Now we have this support and resistance zones where I was also looking for retracement. But like I said, since we have a time limit, I was looking for these retracements. But for now, for a longer vision, this is the move I'm looking for. Um, Gold is doing its thing, doing whatever. Dropped, almost came to my take profit, then pushed right back up. So it's just, you know, it is what it is. Euro JPY. Let's see what Euro JPY is doing.
So my GU trade triggered on the limit order.
It did.
Yeah,
Let me see. You're
is
looking for
for
sells,
break even
right?
at the moment.
Or buys?
Sells. So I'm actually going to probably come out of it. Because it's not looking healthy. Let's go to the 5 minute. Oh no, might be alright.
What other pairs is doing. Okay, US 500 looks like we can bounce from this level.
Okay, I've just got out at break even basically. It just wasn't looking flash. But I've done my 3 now. Oh, now it drops. Now it drops. Now it drops. Sorry, mate. I interrupted.
It's okay. It's okay. So for this, for Aussie USD, I was looking for the price to come a little higher, but it didn't. It dropped before it did. Let's look at GJ. GJ's kind of in this zone. Might even continue dropping, to be honest. GBP and ZD. I was looking for this. It didn't come all the way down. GBP USD. Are you still in it?
No, I got out at basically break even, a slight loss. Oh, no, it was.
USD.
What's the commission on this commission? Oh yeah, it was like 4 cents loss.
Okay, let's look at my running trades. Gold. Crap. It's just this time limit puts you in a frame, you know, like it feels like you need to take a trade.
Yeah,
Even if you don't feel like it, you just like take necessary trades.
Yep. I'm wondering if I can get back in on this GJ one.
JPY would have been nice. I mean, only win that I would have had. 1, 2, 3. What would be that? That would be $9. 9%.
Oh, would it be? Yeah, would it be $9? Would it? Oh, mate, sorry about that. I could have I could have left the order there for you.
And like if it was like thousands of dollars, then I would apology. But right now,
I don't think you'd be getting me to place your trades if it was thousands of bucks.
no, not after that one.
Cam, can you place one of my trades, please?
Yeah.
I know you're a busy guy, but
Stop loss 5 pips, $10,000.
Yeah, that one's now not doing so well.
Yes, 30. Give me something.
Down to 9 minutes left. If you want to get anything else in where you think that this thing might fly.
So here, if we look at gold, we have this nice zone right here, as you can see. And this is I had this white line marked up, as you can see. Once again, very, very similar situation. So if we even look to the left, let's, like, for example, use this zone as my market structure right here, multiple rejections. And this, as you can see, only bearish candle where the price came down before having this strong push to the upside and breaking all the market structure. And if we look very closely, this is where the price came down to exactly this low right here before bouncing, before having this really strong bounce to the upside. So when I saw this close, I would have probably closed, but just because I was in a pretty big drawdown, I was like, okay, let's hold it, whatever. And US 30. Let's see, what do we have?
Okay, I'm going to give one last chance. See if we can get something a bit decent other than these piddly little break-even half profits.
60 cents.
Yeah, US 30, Euro US dollar is triggered in now, and it's gone straight into profit, which is good. I'll share my screen and show you guys. So that's it here. Triggered. So I placed an order here, came back, tipped it in, and now it's pushed up. We want it to try and get past that. That'll be your order block here, guys. The ICT people. I'm going to take partials at 1-to-1. We'll go 0.05. And stop the break even. So we're going to see if we can get the high again, maybe a little bit less. Six minutes 30 to go. Come on.
Let's do until the hourly closure. Hopefully we can have some movement.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
here
good
we go.
call.
Nice trade right there.
Come on.
And it flips back.
There you go. Take the profit. Okay. Right. Any other chat stuff here? Yeah, we'll go to the end of the hour, see if we can get some movement. So usually, yeah, you do at the end of the hour, without fail, you get the pushes, don't you? It's like,
Yeah. What time is it? Almost 2.
yeah, so I was going short here, wasn't I? I was going, actually, where was I going short? I was going short here, and then at this point here, I was like, I think it was on here, I saw that we were just about to get to that line. I thought, okay, we should be able to get to that line from about here and come back and retest me. And I literally had no drawdown on that. That was my entry there on that dot, on that retrace there. It just came back and got us in and pushed up with a stop there. So I don't know what the R on that was. 2.4, 2.5 pip stop. 4.5 or something, 2R. You reckon you're going to get another one in, Dovey? 4 minutes. Well, we got 4 minutes, but we'll go to the hour, shall we?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll stop sharing my screen for a second. Let's see if we can find another one then. That one's still going. I should have just trailed that. Oh, gosh. The thing I don't like about that is I'm short on EG in the swing trading. So that's not
How
ideal.
long are you holding that position for?
Was that? Oh, it was
How
just
long?
it was in today. It was in today. So that'll be a loss. That thing has just done my head in this range that it's been in. Done my head in. I think it's the third loss in a row now. It's like downward range where it keeps breaking the top of it now. Done my head in. Am I using the indicators below your chart? Not really. Mainly just the moving averages. It's just telling you if it's overbought or oversold. Cheers, Leon, for sending that message through. Appreciate that. Right, I'm going to get rid of a Euro GBP just because it's done my head in. What have you got there, Dovi? You're looking at the US 30 year again. It's finally moved up, is it?
Yeah, it had a nice push, but eventually formed their way.
What are your trades? Oh, you're in profit on that. 60 cents, $1.10. Good thing is, like, if that wick just soaks up,
Yeah, that would be.
that'll be like straight up like 650.
I don't
Probably
think
you could
it's
get
gonna push that
$10.
much in 5 minutes if it.
Yeah, so 5 minutes. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, it's that last 5 minutes. Is it gonna? Because the thing is, this time of day, because I know we talked about moving it, and we were potentially going to do it a bit earlier anyway. But it just happened to be I had to go and pick my daughter up from football practice. But had we got done an hour earlier, we might have had a bit more movement. And what was the other thing I was going to say? Oh, I can't remember now. Oh yeah, we talked about coming in at New York Open, but it was like going to be 1 a.m. for me, which is it's just too late. I can't be doing this stuff at 1 a.m. at my age. Ruin my day the next day because then I'm up so I won't go to bed till 2:30.
Is this what you
3
do full
o'clock.
time?
Sorry.
Is this what you do full time?
This trading nut.
Yeah.
Yeah. Full time. Yeah, full time. So it's been full time for about a year now, just over a year. Um, right, see if we can find 4 minutes left. Oh, there goes the timer. That was our timer. Rightio, what's that doing? 4 hour. There's not been a lot really going on, to be fair.
So this morning, yesterday in my group, I called out a CJ sell. And let me tell you, this was the setup. I said close below to go short. The entry was, think like right here, and the stops were something like that. And it literally stopped us out at like 1 pip and dropped heavily. Would have been like a 2% risk trade.
Oh, you're kidding.
Would have been a like 10% winner in the morning today.
It's nothing worse, eh? Nothing worse.
Yeah, like couple, like
Oh,
1 pip.
I missed the entry on that one.
Have like move. I'm more like a intraday trader, so this was more like an intraday trade. Very, very beautiful setup.
Okay, I'm going to try one more trade. This could be a bit of a loss, but we're in on GU again, going long. I'm just going to share my screen.
Can you look how much US 30 is in profit?
US 30 is $2.10. $2.10. Okay, 17 seconds left on this one. Let's have a look. We could actually enter exit 0.04. And I'm probably going to get broken out again here. Yeah, it's just not enough strength unless we get lucky.
This is close.
0.8, 11. I'll better push it up a little bit more. Okay, I'm just going to trail this one if it goes. There's your order block for those ICT guys. That's the nasty little beast we need to break.
Nice trade, man. He's moving the state TP up.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm just moving the TP sets at 1-to-1 automatically. So I just wanted to get rid of it. I was just going to trail it just to see if we can trail this on the 1 minute. See how far we go.
We got 5 seconds.
We'll just trail the lows. So, we might get stopped out here. Damn order block. Oh, it's 11 a.m. So we've done our time, and it's probably going to get stopped out. The bad news, I can't really trail my stop much further than where it currently is. If it doesn't get stopped out, 22 seconds left. Goals short. Any last questions, guys? If that gets stopped out, that's the end of the show. Thank you very much for coming. Right. Dovey, let's have a look at let's have a look at your last trade here. 470. Well done. I'm going to close it out for you. Okay, 470. That won't refresh here. I don't think. It's every 5 minutes. So 484. That's where we ended up. This is probably the best trading I've done in ages. I don't know why, Dovey. You've had a mare going up against me today.
That was bad.
As I said yesterday, I tried the same thing and I lost 4 trades and I won 1. So how I've managed to it wasn't 8 trades, but it was like 4 trades. How I managed to win 4, and I mean they were all partials apart from 1. I don't know, mate. It's just that it's on the day. Guys, that's Scalper vs Scalper. Thank you for watching. Let's just wrap up, and I'll give you a chance to sort of say your stuff, Dovey. Let people know where they can find out more. But yeah, so guys, this is where all these things that I keep going to are here. This is the live streams page. We've got all sorts of stuff going on. Dovey did take out Trader vs Trader Season 2. If you do want to find out more about him, this was swing trading. Today was scalping. I know you don't do much scalping, Dovey, but I appreciate you putting your hand up for this challenge, which was fantastic. You guys can check out the results here. And do remember, if you do want to grab a Hanko Trade account, it's a good broker for you would have seen how close I was going with the stop loss and the commission and stuff. It's hardly any commission at all, and the stop. So it means you can move your stops really close to your break-even point. And if you do want to check out the software that I created, I actually don't give it away as part of my Robot Builders Club, but it's actually on the site. You can go and grab it on the site. I did have, actually there's no link to it direct, but I have linked to it in the past. So if you check out one of my emails from the past, you'll find it. This was part of my Robot Builders Club. You can actually get this is where I teach you how to build semi or fully automated trading robots. If you do want to learn how to do that without any coding, then there's links below the videos, and the doors are going to close on that soon. Now, Dovey, wrapping up.
Yeah, it wasn't the
What's the
best
best
scalp.
way? Yeah, what's the best way for the guys to get hold of you?
You can check out davifx.com. You can find my courses and my Telegram groups. You can also check out my Instagram, davi.fx, and reach out to me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer.
Cool. Well, look, guys, thank you, Dovi, once again for coming on. And do remember Trading Up. We got an episode going live tomorrow. Check that out. It's with a guy who's been in a prop trading firm, and he's got a great story to tell. Right, folks, that's it. I'm ending the stream. Thanks for watching, and do remember to share this, hit like, and hit the notifications bell to get more videos like this in the future. See you in the next one.